Here I am at the Hotel Danieli in Venice. Just going to do a short video of the room. Walking up to the room now. 284. There we go. There's a little hallway which opens into the master bedroom. The bed there. Small TV there. Venetian decor. Sitting area, as you can see. TV, sitting area. And they've prepared this room for my my honeymoon with my wife, as you can see. Her bag, my bag. And on our honeymoon. Bed. King bed, lovely decor, and you've got some chocolate coated strawberries and a bottle of champagne there with a little card there that says something. Magazines over there and a nice sitting couch, and then the view. Wake up to this every day. Here we are from back where we were. A couple under windows here. Hotel Danieli. Over Venice, absolutely marvellous, beautiful hotel room. And now the bathroom. Got the safe and wardrobe in here. There's the bedroom where we just come from with that lovely view. Now we've got the wardrobe area, bags there, no debt, that's right. In-room safe, mini bar happens to be in here, stocked with various items for consumption. Exits for the gift shop, and seat rack there. Inside here is the in the bathroom. Bathroom's a little bit small, but you know, I suppose that's what you get here. Got the shower there, and toilet and bidet, and another window that's frosted out anyway. So looking over Venice still. With the key here, we can undo that. Someone's rooftop there. Marvellous. Beautiful. And just Just to show you one last thing, this is the key, by the way. Whoops, door closed pretty fast. This is the key for the hotel room, so it's still a key, as you can see. Hotel Danielle. And Venenza, which is Venice. Which you do not carry with you, so you leave that at the hotel there, and they look after it for you until you get back. Because it's pretty heavy actually to take that with you everywhere in Venice. I'll close with the amazing view here, which is Venice. Welcome to Venice. Thank you.